Welcome to SBA Stuff channel guys. In this video, we will learn how to make a rap song using AI. For this purpose, we need two sites, ChatGPT and Uberduck. So this is our agenda. Our goal is to use ChatGPT to create a rap for us. A song contains verses and each verse has some lines. So we write a prompt in ChatGPT. You can modify as you like. So I am writing, write me a rap to subscribe a channel named SBA Stuff. The rap must be one verse and a verse contains 4 lines. I will tell you later why we asked ChatGPT to create one verse with 4 lines. Now go to Uberduck, sign up if you don't have account and log in. Then click on AI generated rap. Use IDM to download all the sample beats provided. Why are we going to download these beats? I will tell you later. Please remember this section. If you are a musician, you can just create lyrics, rap and add beats of your own music. Now add the name of song. Please add proper name of a song. And add lyrics you created from ChatGPT. Although Uberduck allows you to create lyrics using AI, but I recommend using ChatGPT. Here are the sample rappers that are provided to you in free version that you can use to generate your raps. Preview their voices and use the rapper that you like the most.
Stop posting about Among Us. I'm tired of seeing it.
Trends in my pocket.
Believe in your journey, let no one change it.
Each word's a paint stroke on the canvas of the beat. Color
books on the shelf, wisdom in the lines. Education's the key, unlocking dreams of all kinds. Yo, don't miss out, hit that stay in the bluff. SB stuff, dropping knowledge, ain't that enough? Subscribe now, join the crew, don't be a snuff. Get the latest, stay informed, it's gonna be tough.
For full access to Uberduck, sign up for our premium plan.
Yo, don't miss out, hit that button, stay in the bluff. SB stuff, dropping knowledge, ain't that enough? Subscribe now, join the crew, don't be a snuff. Get the latest, stay informed, it's gonna be tough.
For full access to Uberduck, sign up for our premium plan.
There is a useless audio at the end when your rap is finished. As we can see, we will remove it in video editor later. Download the final rendered video.
Yo, don't miss out, hit that button, stay in the bluff. SB stuff, dropping knowledge, ain't that enough? Subscribe now, join the crew, don't be a snuff. Get the latest, stay informed, it's gonna be tough.
For full access.
Fire up your favorite video editor. I am using Capcut for this purpose. Once your tool is running, drag and drop your rendered video into it.
don't miss out, hit that button, stay in the bluff. S-based stuff, dropping knowledge, ain't that enough? So
splits its audio from video because we need to remove the end section from it.
stay informed, it's gonna be tough.
For full For full For full access for
You can trim the audio as shown in the video. Remember, I asked you to download sample music using IDM previously. Now we use those audios to fill the gap that we have left after removing the useless audio from the music at the end.
Yo, don't miss out, hit that button, stay in the bluff. S-based stuff, dropping knowledge, ain't that enough? Subscribe now, join the crew, don't be a snuff. Get the latest, stay informed, it's gonna be tough.
See, we have added the audio to complete the video.
Yo, don't miss out, hit that button, stay in the bluff. S-based stuff, dropping knowledge, ain't that enough? Subscribe now, join the crew, don't be a snuff. Get the latest, stay informed, it's gonna be tough.
Now, add effects and other images to your video as you like.
Yo, don't miss out, hit that button, stay in. Yo, don't miss out, hit that button, stay in the bluff. S-based stuff, dropping. Yo, don't miss out, hit that button, stay in the bluff. S-based stuff, dropping knowledge, ain't that enough? Subscribe now, join the crew, don't be a snuff. Get the latest, stay informed, it's gonna be tough. Yo, don't miss out, hit that button, stay in the bluff. S-based stuff, dropping knowledge, ain't that enough? Subscribe now, join the crew, don't be a snuff. Get the latest, stay informed, it's gonna be tough.
Export your video and upload it to your favorite video streaming service. I hope you will like this video and trick. Enjoy. Goodbye.